Eric Thomas says, when there is no struggle, there is absolutely no progress. Hi, this is Pramila Bozugu from CPW World, Connect People Work, welcoming you back to CPW World video chat series. Today, we are at Ambernath. We are at Enjoy Co-working Space, wherein you work, learn and have fun. Today, we are going to meet an entrepreneur, a business founder of WebRid Solutions, Mr. Vaibhav Sontakke, and also know more about what is co-working space. Come, let's go.
So this is our co-working space.
Okay.
We have divided our space in 3 areas: space 1, space 2, space 3. This is the first floor
Okay.
where you can see a beautiful arrangement.
Yeah, really nice.
Yes. The interior, the air conditioner, then the light arrangement, everything is here. So if you can see, so यहाँ पे in this side if we are coming, so people can sit here and work.
Right.
So see 3-4 people can sit together and they can work. Then as well as such a kind of a small conference or a cabin if you want to say.
Right.
So this is there.
And such co-working spaces, in which locations do you have?
So we have in Kharghar, we have in Ambernath, Turve, and very soon we want to go for a multiple location. And by God grace, if it is happening, hundreds of co-working space. So it will be a really great for us.
Right.
So yes.
You have a bunk bed also there.
Yes, if you can see there, if the camera is there, you can say bunk bed is there. Then the music bunk bed for a rest kind of a thing, and then the music system is there. Means not system, the guitar. You can play the guitar. The music.
Right.
As I mentioned, the music therapy.
Right.
So that concern is always in my mind, and while making the co-working space, I keep some space for such a kind of a thing.
Right.
So the music है और भी कई सारी चीजें हैं. Just like I also plan for the health, corporate health.
Right.
So the beautiful means the plants, if you can see here. So these plants are giving more and more oxygen.
Okay.
So these office plants, we are keeping all that things in our mind. Yes, as well as the main partner or my partner of this co-working space who has invested. I'm sales and marketing and management partner over here. So he has done, Mr. Nazrul Siddiqui. He has done this interior designing because he is mastered in that also. Basically, he is hardcore IT person and he is multi-talented person. He has many businesses. So yes, one of that days. So we work or we made such a kind of a beautiful arrangement here. So I would like to tell anyone, means if someone wants to do talk show, if family get together, we want to see the movie, so the beautiful arrangement is there for you all people. The projector we can run and you can see the movie also. So yes, we will go.
Pantry also.
Yeah, pantry, small pantry if you can see.
Right.
So the water filter, fridge arrangement, oven, the beautiful nice arrangement of the cups if you can see, and there's a sweet 3 monkeys also there.
Good, very nice.
So
And what are the other facilities which you all provide in this?
see, basically co-working space, why people coming in co-working space? The first reason is that the prices. Second thing that is that the comfort and safety. If you can see, this area is surveillance by CCTV. As well as we have the attendance system or safety doors, such a kind of a thing we have made.
Right.
And if you can see this, the beautiful, the people, those who are work here, so they have given their comments, feedbacks, on the sticky note you can say.
Yeah. Life's a journey, not a race. You become what you believe. Quite good.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this thing, as well as we have tea coffee arrangement for the people. Just we had. So
Yeah.
how do you like the taste?
It is good. The tea and coffee both are good. Can we have a look at the second floor?
Yes, we can go to the second floor. But before that, I would like to tell you this is the welcome area. And
Okay.
also the bookshelf, if you can see.
Right. You have many books out over here.
Yeah. Then if you want to see
Right.
here, the locker arrangement is here. So if you want to keep your things here, so
Right. For anybody who can also keep their laptop or something
Yes.
like that. Okay. Good, good. But these are at some rates or something, or it comes with the package?
It comes with the package, of course, the complimentary.
Okay.
Yes. So still there are a number of free services. So as I told you that CPW World means we are just you have taken our interview,
Right.
and in that interview I really happy about your work. So we are giving those who are seeing this interview that all people will get absolutely free 7 days working in this co-working space.
Okay, that means for 7 days you are going to provide them free working space.
Free working space. They can come and work here.
And they have to register or something like that?
Yes, we have the website, that is enjoycoworkingspace.com. There they have to go and fill the application, and then definitely we will call them.
Okay, right.
जैसे हमने फर्स्ट फ्लोर देखा, द सेम थिंग इज द सेकेंड फ्लोर, बट दिस इज समथिंग different theme, we can say.
Achha.
So this is a completely corporate theme. So if you can see the Mercury, Venus, or we have given the Jupiter,
given some names of
Mars,
planets
names are there. So every cabin is that much powerful, you can say.
Right.
So we have different kind of a feeling about our work. So we should have to think big, and if we're not thinking big, then how we can become a big? So
Correct.
our vision and our mission should be long.
Correct.
So yes, these are the small cabins, or you can say the small and big cabins, even
For
the
co-working space.
co-working
you
space.
allot
Yeah.
it. Okay,
So
right.
people can take on rent. It is very affordable also, and 2 people, 3 people can sit together and they can work. Okay, so this is another format of our co-working space.
Right.
And if you can see it here, the people are working in our co-working space.
Yes.
There are different companies have taken the space.
Right.
So as well as pantries that side, washroom, these are the things you can see it here.
And if suppose somebody wants to come to such locations, how do they commute? Travel?
See, basically this is the MIDC area. So Anand Nagar MIDC we are saying. So it is connected with the trains, means Ambarnath station.
So by local train.
Yes.
Also, by road also.
It's 5-6 kilometer around, as well as by road. By road means by car, by bikes. You can come startups, and people can connect here very easily.
And suppose it's from Badlapur or Kalyan or Thana side, if somebody has to commute.
So yes, they can come down, because we have another service, that is we have our own bus. So if
Okay.
someone wants to have more seats, I mean 10 seats, 15 seats, so we can organize bus for them, and they can
Okay.
come down, and we can pick up and drop facility. We
Right.
can give to them. Of course, it will be little bit chargeable. Yes.
Right.
So such a kind of a co-working space we have, and you may see that some people are saying it's in MIDC, or you can say MIDC is a remote, but it's not like that. The need
right.
and the service is important. So yes, there are the traveling, we can make them very easy in traveling and everything. So yes, this is very
Okay, one
happening
thing
space.
what was coming in my mind is like, what was the purpose of starting a co-working space in Ambarnath? Like, and that also in an MIDC area.
See, again, my life and my nature is challenge. बेचो तो मिट्टी भी सोने के भाव में बिकेगी, and if you don't have that courage or that confidence, you can sell gold in price of मिट्टी. So I take challenges, and this space, means this area, they don't have such a kind of co-working space. So you may heard about that Bata has one story that how they sold their products in Africa. So such a kind of a thing can happen, and
Right.
yes, people are coming here. You can see, just you've seen. So around 15-20 people have seated here, and they're working.
Right.
So the people are coming here, and it's good.
So you have said one more floor is there. Third.
It's the third floor. First, second, and third floor we have co-working space.
So you'll show us around the third floor also?
Yeah, we can, but it's a similar kind
It is
of a thing.
similar. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, right. And also one more thing which I wanted to ask is like, what support are you looking forward? Like now you have so many 1, 2, 3 florid of co-working space. What are the supports which you're looking forward?
Yes, actually, this is a really good question, because what people are thinking that co-working space is expensive or something like that. No, again, I am telling you, we are very affordable and supportive for you. Whatever problems you have or whatever challenges you have to set up an office, we will definitely help you in that. As well as you see, if someone wants to start the business,
Right.
he has issues of the documents, so you can start with us. We will give you our address,
Right.
yeah, the documents which you want, so the virtual address can be happen, and we will give you the panel members also, you know.
Right.
So yeah, these are the things. So I want to tell the people in this interview that come with us, call us on our toll free number 1-800-1029-95, and call us. We will definitely assist you, and your work will be more easy.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vaibhav. It was really interesting to know about co-working space. This is the first time I've visited a co-working space.
Thank you
and
very
it's,
much.
Really wonderful to see, like, you know, how you all are trying to make things but little more easier for an entrepreneur.
Yes,
or a
that's the
freelancer
real
or a
intention.
business.
Yes.
So thank you so much once again.
Welcome. Thank you.